Alright, so let's get started with lesson 8, part 2. So, the serial monitor. So this is the last lesson now for the Arduino's basic starter kit. Have we used everything? Yeah, we have. We used push... Oh, yeah, we've used everything. So, we'll use the push buttons, the ball tilt, buzzer. So, this has been a successful little tutorial. So, in this lesson, you will build on lesson 22 of part 2, adding the facility to control the LED from your computer using the Arduino serial monitor. The serial monitor is the tether between the computer and your Uno. It lets you send and receive text messages, handy for debugging and also controlling the Uno from a keyboard. Cool. Okay, so for example, you'll be able to send commands from your computer to turn on LEDs. In this lesson, you will learn exactly the same parts. You will use exactly the same parts and a similar breadboard layout. So we're going to use the same parts but different layout. Alright. So after you have uploaded this sketch onto your Uno, click on the rightmost button on the toolbar in the Arduino IDE. The button is circled below. So this is serial monitor, upload. Let's see what happens. Alright, so it's finished uploading. Currently all the LEDs are on. The button is circled. Oh, okay. I didn't click on. You wanted me to click on this serial monitor. Here we go. All LEDs are off. Alright, now serial monitor. Okay, so 0, 1, 2. Wow. 3, 4. Okay, X. All off. Beautiful. Okay, that's pretty cool. That is very, very cool. So we can turn on and off. Let's just test it all out fully. We go 0, 7, 6, 1, 2, 5, and then 4. And then if we hit 4 again, it shouldn't do anything. There you go. 4, 3. Okay, I forgot one LED. I forgot 3. 3, 3. So it does nothing. That's good. Then you press X. All off. Beautiful. That is absolutely sick. I love that. That's fantastic. I thoroughly enjoyed that whole tutorial. I'm glad it's finished. I'm glad I got to finish it. No, I'm not glad it's finished. I'm glad I finished it. And I'm gonna buy the largest kit that they have for this Uno 3, and I'm gonna hopefully try and finish those because I found this tutorial very beneficial. So yeah, guys, if you enjoyed it, leave a like. I appreciate it. Subscribe for more. I'm going to buy the kit and do those tutorials as well. And yeah, I shall see you in the next one. Hopefully you guys have fun with your Arduinos and be a bit creative. If I can do anything creative that's worthwhile, I'll share it on here as well. Thanks, guys. Peace.